Ever feel like you're spending more time wrestling spreadsheets than running your restaurant? You're not alone. Between managing staff, maintaining inventory, and keeping customers happy, bookkeeping can easily become an overwhelming afterthought. But what if there was a way to seamlessly integrate your point-of-sale (POS) system with your accounting software? Imagine a world where sales data flows effortlessly, saving you precious hours and minimizing errors. Well, that world exists, and it might be the key to unlocking smoother operations for your restaurant. Today, we're diving deep into a question that plagues many restaurateurs. Is TouchBistro compatible with QuickBooks? Buckle up, because we're about to explore the wonders of integration and how it can revolutionize your back-office game. The power of TouchBistro. For those unfamiliar, TouchBistro is a popular iPad-based POS system specifically designed for the fast-paced world of restaurants. It boasts a user-friendly interface, allowing your staff to take orders, process payments, and manage tables with ease. But TouchBistro's magic goes beyond just the front of house. This powerful POS system also keeps a watchful eye on your finances. It tracks sales by category, generates detailed reports, and even calculates end-of-day summaries. While this built-in functionality is valuable, the true game-changer lies in its ability to connect with your existing accounting software. QuickBooks, the accounting workhorse. QuickBooks needs no introduction. It's a household name for small businesses, offering a comprehensive accounting suite. From managing invoices and bills to generating financial statements, QuickBooks helps you stay on top of your finances. But manually entering data from your POS into QuickBooks can be a tedious and error-prone chore. This is where integration comes to the rescue. By connecting TouchBistro with QuickBooks, you can create a seamless flow of information. Sales data from your POS automatically syncs with your accounting software, eliminating the need for manual entry. The magic of integration. So, how exactly does this integration benefit your restaurant? Let's break down the key advantages. Save time and money. Integration frees you and your staff from the time-consuming task of manually entering data. This translates to significant time savings, allowing you to focus on what truly matters running your restaurant. Additionally, reduced errors due to manual entry minimizes the risk of costly accounting mistakes. Effortless reconciliation. Imagine a world where reconciling your books becomes a breeze. With integration, your sales data automatically populates your QuickBooks accounts, ensuring everything is neatly categorized and ready for review. Improved accuracy. Manual data entry is a breeding ground for errors. Integration eliminates this risk, providing you with accurate and reliable financial data. This empowers you to make informed business decisions based on real-time insights. Streamlined workflow. Integration creates a smooth workflow between your front-of-house operations and your back-office accounting. This interconnectedness simplifies your overall business management process, freeing you to focus on other areas. Integration options for TouchBistro and QuickBooks. TouchBistro offers multiple ways to integrate with QuickBooks. Here are the two most common methods. Shogo. This cloud-based integration service acts as a middleman, seamlessly connecting TouchBistro with QuickBooks, both desktop and online versions. Shogo allows you to map your TouchBistro sales categories to the appropriate accounts in QuickBooks, ensuring accurate data transfer. Third-party integrations. Several third-party solutions, like Margin Edge, can also facilitate the connection between TouchBistro and QuickBooks. These services offer additional features, such as inventory management and real-time business analytics. Absolutely. TouchBistro seamlessly integrates with QuickBooks, offering a powerful solution for streamlining your restaurant's financial management. From saving time and minimizing errors to improving accuracy and boosting efficiency, integration is a game-changer for busy restaurateurs. So, if you're using TouchBistro and struggling with manual data entry, consider integrating with QuickBooks. It might just be the secret weapon your restaurant needs to take its financial management to the next level. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.